Hey everyone, my name is Jeff, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of some of the Ketch Agent Network features within Ketch's data map. The age-old struggles of a data map have always been manual effort and lack of visibility across the board. What systems do I have? What data is there? How does it flow? Who owns it? The list goes on and on and on. With Ketch, the AI agents are always working behind the scenes to automatically solve those problems, starting with system discovery, including SAS tools, data discovery, document scanning, and also flagging any issues as well. So with Ketch, users are greeted with an easy to read and easy to understand data map screen. So right off the bat, I know I have 42 systems. It looks like there are 9 new systems that have been found. And it looks like there's an issue with one of my systems that's been detected and that I should remediate. So you instantly know where your data map stands and if there are any issues that need to be resolved. So let's jump over into one of our systems. Let's look at Braze. Now that we're in Braze, all the information here is populated via scans. Public scans, public documentation, any uploaded custom documentation, the data that's being used to populate the different data categories, classifications, data residencies is all done automatically. So all the things that used to be manual are no longer manual. All the areas that you had little to no visibility in are more visible now than ever. For example, let's jump into assets. So to illustrate this more, there's some really cool information that's being pulled automatically by the agents. The data sensitivity, the types of data, the different data categories, the data type, this is all being pulled behind the scenes. So you know that the information is accurate and up to date. This historically would have been done by a person or a team, and as soon as it's updated, it could have been already out of date if Braze made some backend changes. Let's talk about the Insights tab powered by the agents. All these agents are areas that the user needs to address and would have historically had no visibility into. The agent network has officially changed that. There's clear visibility into what areas need attention and why. This is all being done behind the scenes by the agents automatically. For example, we know that Braze is processing personal data, but it's not part of any DSAR workflows. We'll dig into insights deeper next time, but if you have any questions, head over to ketch.com. Thanks.